little to report on these skate parks now, because here we go, this is it.
Careful with the face of the children.
Yeah, I will. It's a beautiful mini ramp, about 4.5 foot, in the middle of a lovely recreational park with like cafe. It's got almost like a canal walk or a river walk or something, or maybe it's just a pond. But that's all it is a mini ramp. Well, in terms of the skateboarding facilities, there's also play park, basketball, football, and the rest of it. What is this place called?
Beddington mini ramp.
Beddington mini ramp.
And it's Beddington farmlands, but they don't have a drop, so there is no pin on Google. This is where you find it. So you have Pavilion Cafe, Beddington Park. You can see, and yeah, so there's no mini ramp point at all.
Yeah, there's no point for the mini ramp, but if you come to
Pavilion.
the Pavilion Cafe, it's literally right on its doorstep. So aim for that point. Actually, there's huge tennis courts at the back, and some kids looking at us like WTF. That was it, short and sweet. We'll move on to the next place. Kid's getting padded up. I think she might be going on the mini ramp. I don't see. Oh, she must have skates in the bag, because she's not got anything else. So there must be skates in the bag.
See skate lights.
Yeah, I'd say it's skate light.
I'm gonna double check Google.
Let's go to another skate park. Yay! Keeping up that energy and enthusiasm.